Good morning, dear children. All of you know we have learnt about action words. So today we are going to have an activity using action words. All of you have to listen very carefully. Mind you, listen carefully and perform the action.
Okay.
Fine. Are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So she is the puppeteer and all of you are puppets. You have to follow her. Fine?
Okay.
All the best. Yes. What does the puppet say? Very good. So all of you have understood this word. Fine. What does the puppet say now?